Hi, my name is Morten, and I'm a software developer at Ucommerce. In this video, I will introduce to you how to get started with the first beta version of Ucommerce for Sitefinity. I want to emphasize that this is a beta release, which means that it is subject to both breaking changes and errors. If you install version 7, 17, 18, 149, it is a beta version. We're super excited about this, so we encourage you to try it out anyways. But first things first, how do I get the bits? Installing Ucommerce is actually super easy. All you have to do is install a NuGet package through Visual Studio and everything will be set up automatically. If you already know how to do that, you can probably skip this video. Otherwise, take a look while I show you all the steps needed. The individual steps that I'm going through is shown here. I have to set up a clean Sitefinity, or I can actually also use an existing one. Then I need to edit my project in Visual Studio, install the NuGet package, and then restart the website, and then everything is up and running. Here I have the Sitefinity project manager that I will use to set up a clean project. But there's one prerequisite to this, which is that I need a clean SQL database. So I will have that, and then I will create a new project in the project manager. Let's call that clean Sitefinity and put it on my preferred location on my computer. Go through the wizard. I will apply the Sitefinity license and wait for that to finish. Just need to accept the license. There we go. Confirm, yep. And now the project manager will show my project. I can now edit it in Visual Studio. If I already have an existing Sitefinity project that are up and running, I can just edit my existing project inside Visual Studio, but this is just because I'm setting up a clean one. So now Sitefinity needs to open inside Visual Studio. Now I need to run the install package ucommerce.sitefinity command. But since my project here has not been saved for the first time, let's do that. So it will acknowledge that this is in fact a Visual Studio solution. Then I can rerun my NuGet command, and then NuGet will do its job, gather all the resources from the server, and that's shipped on the official NuGet server, so I don't need to set up a new package source. And here it's installed. Now I can just hit F5 or run it through IIS, however I prefer. Build the solution, hit F5, accept changes in web config. It will open up in my browser and Sitefinity will spin up. Now I need to go through the project startup. Here I need to insert the SQL server that I created before. Set up credentials, click continue. And it will set up the database tables for Sitefinity. And then I need to create a user. Just put in some dummy data here. Install. This is actually all just Sitefinity that's setting up for the first time. And now I have Ucommerce up here because that has installed in the background. Notice that stuff here will not work. I will get a few 404s, and that's a known issue here in the beta version. All I have to do now is actually just shut Visual Studio down, or not in Visual Studio, but the running website. Make sure that it recycles the application pool, and then restart the site again. Then my web API routes will now work. So I'll go ahead and log into the backend one more time. And up here I can now open up one of the apps for Ucommerce that sits inside the backend of Sitefinity. So that just need to load. Everything will be a little bit slow for the first time when the website is cold. There we go, it opens up the catalog manager, and I should see that it will load up the tree navigation here to the left, and I can now go in and edit the individual objects in Ucommerce. That's it, Ucommerce is now up and running. If you're interested in learning more about Ucommerce, please reach out to us on the various channels where we are present. We can also give you a personal demo of the platform, free of charge and no strings attached, of course. If you have an upcoming project or you're just curious if Ucommerce would be the right fit, you're also more than welcome to reach out. There's a lot of helpful resources in the description in the video. So thank you for watching, and we hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.